Hey, it's Amia Renee, and I'm going to show you how to make rice water and how to use it to promote hair growth. The items you'll need is organic rice, water, and a jar to put your rice water mixture in. I chose to use essential oil and an orange peel, and I'll tell you why later on in the video. Here I'm just measuring 1 cup of rice, and we're going to use 2 cups of water. First, we're going to rinse the rice off for about a minute or so. Rice water contains vitamins B, C, and E, and amino acids, which can help in hair regeneration. Also, it helps decrease hair shedding. So here I'm just using half of an orange peel. So the reason why I chose to use orange peel and essential oil is because I did a lot of research on rice water, and after it ferments for a few days, everyone says it really stinks. So to prevent it from stinking really bad, I decided to add the oil and the orange peel to help with the smell. And also the essential oils have hair benefits as well. I used rosemary and lavender oil. I will list the benefits of each oil in the description box below. 15 to 20 drops of each oil was used. Let the rice ferment for up to 30 minutes or a few days. Now I'm just giving the rice water mixture a good shake, 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 and you're done. This is my rice water I made 5 days ago. So it fermented for 5 days. Let's see if the orange peel and the essential oil help the smell. Waste a little bit. It smells okay. It'll make me want to gag, so apparently it helped. Alright, let me hop in the shower, wash my hair, and I'll be back when I apply the rice water to my hair. Now I'm back with freshly washed hair. Here go my rice water in my spray bottle, and I'm just applying it to my hair. It smells pretty good, like I said. It's not the best smell in the world, but it doesn't stink either. So I'm okay with the smell. Here you want to drench your hair in the rice water. Spray as much as you can without being soaking wet. Now you want to grab a brush and detangle your hair. Also making sure the rice water is distributed evenly throughout your hair. Rice water is a protein treatment for your hair, so you don't want to do it too much. I would recommend maybe doing it once every week or once every 2 weeks. So if you do use protein treatments, do not use a protein treatment the week that you're doing a rice water treatment, because you don't want to put too much protein in your hair. Protein overload can leave your hair feeling dry, tangled, and weak. It also leaves your hair susceptible to breakage. This is my first time actually trying a rice water treatment. I have never done one before. I've been hearing a lot of positive things about this rice water, so I said, why not give it a try? Ever since I went natural, my goal was to have my hair bra strap length, which the back is, but my front isn't right now at the moment. So I said, why not give this rice water a try and see if it can really grow my front. And when I say the front of my hair, I'm talking about the bang area, or where my bangs used to be. Have you ever tried rice water for hair growth before? If so, leave a comment down below. Let me know if it worked for you, and let me know if it didn't work for you. I'm so curious to see if this is really going to work like everybody is ranting and raving about. After I'm done applying the rice water, I decided to go ahead and put a deep conditioner on top of the rice water. I said, why not kill two birds with one stone? This is an extra step. You don't have to do this. You could just have the rice water in your hair by itself, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then after you rinse it out, put your deep conditioner in. But I just decided to do both all at one time. And plus, the rice water, it wasn't easy for me to detangle. It was a little bit harder to detangle my hair. So I said, let me go ahead and throw the conditioner on top so I can make sure my hair was thoroughly detangled. Now I'm going to go off camera and apply the rest of the deep conditioner to the other sections of my hair. I'm going to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After I'm done rinsing it out, I'll be back. Alright, now I'm back with freshly rinsed hair. Nice and clean. I'm just showing you how my hair looks without any product. Now I'm going to do a lift check, and I'm going to mark off where my hair ends with a magic marker. This will be the same shirt I wear, and I think I'm going to come back, I'm not sure, next month, or I'm going to give it 2 months for my next update. But I will continue to use the rice water rinse every week. I'll do it weekly. I did notice after rinsing out the rice water when I went to style my hair off camera that I did not have any shedding at all. I wish I would have filmed that, but I will do that next time on the follow-up video to this, the update rice water video, because I was really surprised that it worked that fast. Yay, I was so happy to see all those inches in the back. I did not know my hair was that long until I actually saw this video. So I'm so happy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.